Bhopali of the Haryana. So today I am here with my class 11th science students, and these students perform a role play on life skill. And the theme of the life skill role model play is unit and measurement. Why units are so important in our day-to-day life. So we start with my narrator.
Hello everyone, my name is Chunchun. I am the narrator of this play. Before we begin our first scene, let's take a moment to understand what the measurement really means. From buying vegetables in the market to calculating the speed of the rocket, everything is depend on the accurate measurements. Measurement simply means comparing an unknown quantity with a reference standard. In our daily life, we often use different types of units like meters, kilometers and kilograms. That's exactly what our first scene, the confused market. You will see how mixing up units can create a total confusion, and having a standard system of measurements like the SI system is so important.
What is the cost of rice?
Rice only 5 and stands for 50.
Okay, give me. Wait, your hand is bigger than mine. How is it fair? Hey, what is the cost of the dal?
I sell by cup. 1 cup of cost 20.
Okay. Wait, your cup is smaller than my cup. Everyone measures differently.
Friends, what's the matter?
This vendor is selling rice by hand span.
And this vendor selling dal by a smaller cup than me.
We are not satisfied.
We need one rule for everyone, a standard unit.
We need fairness and accuracy in measurement.
Yes, we need.
After this, it is clear that without a common system of measurement, life would be full of confusions. Now we will move into the world of scientists, the people who spend years to discussing and debating.
Sit down, everyone. On which topic today we are going to discuss?
Today we are going to discuss about unit and measurement.
Sir, according to me, we should use CGS.
No, MPS is better.
Kanika, what's your point of view on this topic?
FPS work for me.
So I have decided we will use SI system, International System of Measurement. Are you agree on my decision?
Yes.
Sir. So from today onwards, we'll use one system for all, that is SI system, International System of Units.
Let's take a step ahead. Since the confused market showed why the standard measurements is important and the scientists' debate shows how it was developed. Now inclusive classrooms should focus on how we all use and understand these units together.
Good morning, students. Sit down, please.
Thank you, ma'am.
How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Today we will learn how to measure the desk with the help of different tools. Firstly, you will all come and measure this desk. Bishti, come and measure this desk.
Alright, ma'am. Ma'am, it's 120 centimeter using a ruler.
Good. Sit down, please. Now, Rashi, come and measure this desk.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I use tactile scale and is same reading.
Very good. Sit down, please.
Thank you, ma'am.
This Beauty, come and measure this desk.
Ma'am, my app shows 1.2 meters.
Excellent. Everyone use different tools but have same values.
Future world, a time where science and technology have transformed how we measure the units. In this futuristic era, measurements are no longer dependent on rulers or scales. Instead, are powered by the sensors.
In 2050, robot will measure everything.
And thanks to standard units, machines and humans will understand each other.
Measurement brings accuracy, equality, and unity.
Now let's sum up all the observations with the help of our teacher.
Good morning, students. Sit down. So, dear student, you played well yesterday, and the role play was excellent. But today we discuss about the life skill you have learned in that role play. So please tell me what you have learned yesterday.
Without standard unit, there is confusion. Within unity, there is progress.
Okay, good answer. Sit down, beta. So student, you have learned so many life skills like empathy, critical thinking, collaboration, negotiation, decision making, problem solving. So there are so many life skills you have learned. But I want to know you actually learned about what life skill. So we will discuss all kind of life skills with the help of your scene. So first scene of our role play is the confused market. So I request one student from that scene tell me what life skill did you think you have learned?
We learned decision making, communication, problem solving.
Good. Sit down. Our next scene is the scientist debate. So I request one member of that scene stand up and tell the whole class you have learned.
Critical thinking, negotiation, decision making.
Decision making. Good. Very good, beta. And the third scene is the inclusive classroom. So anyone from inclusive classroom scene want to tell about the life skills?
Ma'am, I have learned about interpersonal relationship, empathy, and decision making from that scene.
Very good, Rashid. Thank you, beta. And last but not the least, the future world. I request one student from that scene.
Creative thinking and interpersonal relationships.
Excellent, beta. So I think you all students are well known about life skills. If you learn the name of life skills. So thank you very much to all students for your support, your teamwork. Very good, beta. Thank you.
This short role play transformed a physics concept into a life skill experience. Every learner participated, demonstrating empathy, creativity, and collaboration. It embodies the 4 pillars of learning: to know, to do, to be, and to live together.
मेरा मेन मोटो सिर्फ इन बच्चों को यहाँ पे लाके ये जो प्राइज देने का है बेटा सिर्फ ये है कि आप भी जैसे इन बच्चों ने अपने पढ़ाई के टाइम के साथ में ये सुबह से शाम तक मेरे साथ लगे रहे और इन्होंने बिना 1 मिनट भी रेस्ट किए पूरा दिन कॉन्टिन्यूएशन में जब तक डिनर का टाइम हुआ था ये बच्चे लगे थे। तो मैं एक बार दोबारा चाहती हूँ आपसे कि एक बार आप इनका तालियों के साथ दोबारा एक बार इनका सम्मान करें।